right, and welcome to day 10 here, Red Delta Project Advent Calendar, where this month's theme, again, is all about using my favorite toy, the suspension straps, which is basically a weight machine in your pocket. Today we're dealing flexion chain, abdominals, hip flexors, all that good stuff. We have two simple exercises that are gonna just rock things out real quick. So our feet are suspended in this case, and our hands are on the floor roughly about shoulder width. And we just have simple knee tucks. Now, the big mistake that I used to make with knee tucks was one, not protracting my shoulders enough and just kind of sagging here. And two, when I would tuck in like that, but my hips wouldn't go anywhere. And keep in mind with suspension straps, you have some degree of resistance moving it along the ground like this, but really you need to move up against gravity. So for that, we make sure our hips lift up nice and high when we do this. Of course, you can keep your legs straight if you like. The classic pike up, really either variation will get the job done, but we have 10 reps of that, followed immediately after you do your last one with the saw plank. Back and forth, again, keeping the shoulders protracted, back is tight, and we have 10 of those as well. After that, stop, rest as needed. We have 4 sets of 10 for this. Keep in mind, if your back is starting to feel it, that means your abs are no longer creating enough tension to support yourself, so give yourself more rest or decrease the amount of repetitions you're doing. So maybe make it 6 and then 6. It's a simple 1-to-1 ratio. Best of luck in today's workout. Let me know if you have questions in the comment section. Be fit, live free.